Hi, I'm Josh with Signature Shutters and Blinds here in Dayton, Ohio. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about plantation shutters, or shutter blinds that some people like to call them. I want to kind of go through all the options that you can get, and by the end of the video, hopefully you'll be informed and know pretty much everything you know to make your shopping experience a pleasant one. First of all, you have to consider the material that you're buying. There's several different options. We choose to make all of our shutters out of poplar wood or basswood. There is PVC or plastic. You can also get some faux woods and some MDF type materials. But we choose to use the poplar wood because we feel it's the strongest. That's the best lasting. You don't get any sag in your windows over time, and then it allows us to actually go up to 36 inches wide on a louver, so that way we can minimize some of this on sort of a standard window. Some of the options that you can have with these really have to consider the mounting surface, what the window gives you. We can do a Z-frame that actually is an inside mount. What that means is it actually mounts to the inside of your windowsill. It does wrap around this particular frame onto the front of the drywall. Some other options, if we come down here, this is another Z-frame that's a little bit of a decorative version. And then further down here, we also have an inside mount, so it actually mounts on the inside of your windowsill. And then we can also, depending again on what your windows offer, we can actually put this on the outside, like nail it to your trim, and that's sort of all the options that you have. There's different stylings of frames, some different decorations that you'll get to choose when you're going through the process. But that's pretty much it for the mounting side of things. Now we get into some of the other options. This is actually our biggest louver. The louvers here are 4.5 inches tall. So, if you're really looking to have a lot of visibility when you open them, this is what you're gonna look for. This is also a standard tilt rod. So you have the tilt rod here in the middle that you use to actually actuate your window treatment. We also carry a 2.5 inch louver, so it's a little bit smaller. This is typically what people like to go with. You get a lot of view. This also has an option for the hidden tilt rod that's back here that connects all the louvers. So you just use the louver to actuate your window treatment up and down as needed. Then lastly, for the final louver size, you got the 2.5. So you can see there's a lot more louvers in the opening. There's a little bit less visibility. Some people like it. It's a little bit older look, but overall it's your choice as the customer. So whatever you prefer is what we'll provide. Another thing that we offer that's unique to us is color match. So if you have a Sherwin-Williams color and you want to match that up to your house, we can do that. Here's just a couple of samples of customers' colors that they picked. Obviously, this is our signature white, which really blends in nicely with almost any white out there. And this kind of gives you a summary of the frame options, at least the styling perspective on what you can expect. This is a flat L frame, so if you're looking for something a little contemporary, that will work for you. This is what's called an Ogie L. It's got a little bit of a decorative surface there. This is a Jamestown Z frame that again wraps around to the front of your drywall. And it's got a little bit of decoration. Here's just a couple examples of a little bit smaller and a little bit wider standard Z frame with just a single bead here. And then we also have a Malibu frame that's a really decorative outside mount on the trim or drywall type of a frame. We also offer specialty shapes here. So if you have an archway, an octagon, a circle, a rake, we can make any of those optional specialty shapes here locally in Dayton to fit your needs. And lastly, here at Signature Shutters, we offer a wide variety of stain options, up to 15 different colors to match your trim to the best we possibly can. So in closing, I hope you learned a little bit about shutters, and it will make your experience with us that much smoother and more satisfying. Thanks for watching.